Hello and welcome to another episode of Drawing is Fun. How to seduce ladies with your drawings. In this episode, I'll show you how to seduce ladies with your drawings. Go to File New. Do not save. Okay, disclaimer. I have a girlfriend and I love her very much. So I am not a player and I don't, when I say how to seduce ladies, I'm not talking about myself. Because I love my girl and I would not switch her or trade her in even for an Xbox or a PlayStation 4. End of disclaimer. How to seduce ladies with your drawings? Alright, I'll show you how. The situation. Let's pretend that we are in a bar and you really like this girl and you don't know how to talk to her. Let me draw her first. Please keep in mind that I respect ladies and I am only drawing the bosom part because it has a reason. She might have inner beauty too. I just don't draw it for this particular information that I'm going to share with you. Alright, this is the girl that you don't know how to talk to. Now what? Well, you are indeed an illustrator, right? So that means you always should have a pen or pencil with you. Great. Now we are at a bar. What can you use? Let's pretend this cardboard is a coaster. Alright? Always check your surroundings for things that you can draw on. Alright, so what am I gonna do? You're just going to copy me, okay? There. I'm sorry, it's not really. Okay. There. A simple arrow is really all you need to draw. As you can see, it doesn't require much skills. You just have to have a certain confidence that you can draw an arrow. I believe in you. Drawing an arrow is not the hardest thing. You've drawn a donut and you've done quite well, as you can see right here. Alright. So here's the lady. And you think, whoa, she's really nice, right? And here's the coaster that you drew with the arrow. Now what you're going to do is aim for her heart, and I think it's right here. Aim for her heart, and what you're going to do is throw the coaster with the arrow on her heart. Now please remember, this is very close to her breast, so it might touch her breast and she might think, whoa, what are you doing? This is Me Too movement material, and she might sue you. So be careful. Be quick with your witty response and let her know that you like her by saying something about the arrow that you just threw. Remember, this is an arrow. It could be Cupid's arrow, and you're throwing at her heart. So now is the chance to say something witty. Please be confident because you drew quite a good arrow. Just say something like, "Whoa, excuse me, I just hit you with Cupid's arrow. Now you will marry. Now you will you go on a date with me?" You know what? She might say yes because you came across so confident, and she might be really impressed with how you came up with this. It's not the same as saying, "Oh, are you an angel?" This is the real stuff that she might like. And you know what? Even if she doesn't like it, there's plenty of fish in the sea. I say this respectfully. Respectfully, they're not fish. But what I'm saying is there's plenty of girls in the world that might do like this kind of stuff. So remember, be confident in your drawing skills. Draw the arrow on a coaster, throw it at her breast. If you want, you can also draw this at home and just keep practicing until you know how to hit her breast or her chest or her heart rather. Alright, well, this is my video and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.